So, I have one question. Did you miss me? Oh my god, guys, I'm back with another video. I cannot believe this is happening right now. It feels so surreal. Yeah, it's crazy. I have a new camera, I have a new setup, I have a whole new outlook on life, and it's just amazing. But we're back with a beautiful neon wing using the new Huda Beauty palette. I'm obsessed with this palette. Like, I was in Sephora and I was swatching it and I'm like, this shit is not gonna work for me. But I ended up actually loving it and I'm so happy with how this makeup turned out. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, so my skin is already moisturized and my brows are already done. So next I'm gonna start with eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trace out the shape that I want for like the wing shadow, and that's gonna make it so much easier to apply it and to just have the shape down packed. So I'm gonna be using a white pencil for that, and this one is by MAC. This is called Fascinating, which is one of my all-time favorites. This is also great to have in your kit. It's always good to have a white eyeliner, like to trace out stuff or to open up the eyes and the waterline. But before I do that, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of concealer to my lids before I forget. And this one is by ColourPop. That made for a really nice base for the eyes. I know it looks a little crazy right now because we are so like concealed around the eye area and like the brows are done, but it's gonna come together, trust me. So now I'm going to start tracing out that line before the concealer creases. So you kind of want to make sure you have your eye shape down packed, meaning you know what's going to look best on your eyes and you know what's going to accentuate your eyes. Now I have kind of hooded eyes, like they're semi-hooded. Like when I open my eyes, my crease kind of like disappears into itself. So if I'm doing like a cut crease or anything like that, I'm gonna go over my actual crease just to make my eyes look bigger, if you know what I mean. So I think I'm gonna start from here. And you can barely see it, but it's also good because if you make any mistakes, it's very easy to put them away. Now that we're at the end, I'm just going to follow the natural shape of my eye. So now we kind of have the outline. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but we're gonna fill that in with the eyeshadow and make it look cute. And for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the new Huda Beauty. I was gonna say Huda Booty. The new Huda Beauty Neon palette. These are so cute. First of all, I love the packaging. It's just so summery and so, like, I don't know, I just love it. And inside, I mean, I fell in love with the pink one, but they also have like a really nice orange one, and I think they have like a yellow one or like a green one or something. Dipping into this color right here. Wow. Wow. Do you see that color payoff? Oh my gosh. That is so gorgeous. Alright, so I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, when I was getting the palette for this video, I swatched the colors in the store and I'm like, I do not want to buy this right now. Like, on top, if anything, because Morphe has like this pink shade right here. But bitch, like, I don't even need that fucking palette. Like, this shit is so pigmented. I'm just like in shock right now. Okay. Alright, let's keep on going. I originally envisioned like a really matte, just like neon wing. But maybe I should put like this color on top. That'll be really cute. So let's just do that real quick. I'm gonna take this color from the palette, this one right here. I really like how that holographic purple looked. I think it gave like a really pretty shine to the pink. So now I'm going to clean up this side right here and the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. For primer, I'm going to be going in with Milk's HydroGrip primer. Yeah, this stuff just grips your makeup and is perfect for summer. So we're just going to be applying that whole face. For foundation, I'm going to be using my new Juvia's Eye Magic foundation. This stuff is super full coverage, literally like the most full coverage foundation I've ever tried. It might be way too much, but so this color is a little tiny bit darker for me, but I anticipate getting this color this summer, so she's not canceled yet. For concealer, I'm going to be using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 10. And I'm just going to highlight our whole lives away. And I'm going to get really close with that line. Alright guys, you know what time it is. I'm going to start blending this out with my beauty blender. Alright, so now I'm going to be setting everything using my Dermablend white translucent powder. You really just want to make sure that you set everything in place, especially if you're going to be like going out anywhere. My key tip is to just set your whole face with translucent powder and then add hydration back into your skin with some setting spray. I'm just going to lightly mist my face with some of the Morphe setting spray. This is my absolute favorite product of all time because it just adds hydration into your skin. Sets everything in place. So moving on to bronzer slash contour, I'm going to be using my Fenty Stalk'r bronzer in the shade Private Island, which is where I'd rather be right now. And I just took that with a Morphe M530 brush. And I feel like this is the perfect brush for applying contour because it just gets right in that area and blends it out really nicely. Whenever my hair is like slicked back, I just feel like it's my duty to snatch my cheekbones because like this is like a facelift right here, so like I have to just go extra with the contour. So I'm going to contour my nose real fast just to kind of like snatch everything and bring everything together. So I absolutely love this brush for like pretty much anything. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's called number 6. So I'm not sure if you could just like search it up, number 6, and like find it, but if I do find it on the website, I'll link it down below. But I just love how flimsy it is, if you can see. And this brush is pretty much great for anything. Like sometimes I'll highlight my inner corners with this brush. I'll kind of like smoke out some shadows like in my crease, and this is even a great brush to contour the nose. So I'm going to take a little bit of that Fenty bronzer and I'm just going to go right down the sides of my nose. Alright, so I know it looks a little crazy right now, but we're going to go in with the Beauty Blender and then just start to kind of blend out the edges. And then what I like to do is take my powder and just clean up everything. So while my face is baking, I'm going to be applying some lashes. This is the Total Temptations mascara. I love how this smells, and supposedly it has coconut oil in it, which really helps to like condition your lashes while you're applying the mascara. And it just gives like a really nice fluffy effect to the lashes as well. I'm just going to do a really thin coat. I'm not going to do a lot because I don't have a lot of lashes to begin with, so I don't want them to get like clumpy. And I finally feel like this look is coming together. I know once I put the lashes on, like everything's gonna change. I don't know if you guys have seen this new lash glue, but it's like double-sided, which I think is so good for makeup artists because you don't have to carry 2 different lash glues. You can just carry one and, you know, not worry about like not having black or not having white or clear. Like you will just have both of them right there available for you in this little double-sided thing, which I think is so amazing how they made that. Like it was about time, you know. Alright, so I'm applying the clear one. I'm not trying to mess up right now, to be honest. So yeah. Oh my gosh, and I have to push you guys on real fast to this thing that I found on Amazon. Boop! Which is a fan. Oh my gosh, it's a little fan. Isn't it so cute? So I've just been using this to dry my lashes, which I think is amazing. Also, like, you can just like put setting spray on and dry your face faster. It has 3 different speeds, so this is 1, 2, 3. It also has like a little stand too, so like you can just like put it on your counter and then just like leave it on, which I think is so adorable. Has nothing to do with makeup, but I think it'll be super helpful, you know, for like makeup artists, or like even if you're just hot, you know, it's summertime. Like this thing is bomb. I feel like Amazon has the best stuff for sure. So look at just one lash, how much of a difference it makes. I mean, like, I know for a fact that this look was going to be so much better with lashes on. Oh, I love it. I love these lashes. Like, I mean, I love them more for the fact that they were $2.99. So lashes are on, everything is coming together. I'm so excited for how this look is turning out. So now let's apply my favorite part, which is blush. So for blush, I was gonna use Milani's Luminoso, but I'm thinking of another idea. One second. So I have this one from MAC. This is called Bubbles Please. We're gonna be all decked out in pink, but I don't care. Like, I just love pink. So first I'm just gonna dust off my under eyes, and then I'm gonna be using the same brush to apply the blush. And this is the Morphe M438. I'm just gonna dust this on the cheeks. I'm not gonna do too much blush. Like, I just want it to be like a nice subtle pink color. But oh my gosh, look how beautiful that blush is. So now for lips, of course we're not going to do pink. I feel like that'll be way too much. But we're going to do like a nice nudie type of color. So I'm going to start by lining my lips. I'm just going to go in with MAC Stripdown Liner to give us like a really nice outline to the nude. And then for the lips, I'm going to go in with MAC Peachstock lipstick, which is this beautiful nude color. Alright, so I'm going to finish up the eyes real quick, and I'm going to go back into that neon pink color in the palette. And I'm going to go in with a MAC 212 brush. And I'm actually just going to go in, smooth out the bottom with this pink. Alright, now I'm going to take a small pencil brush. This one is from Sedona Lace. It's 904. And I'm going to go in with this pink color right here. I'm just going to spray the brush a little bit. And I'm going to be applying that in the inner corner. Alright, now I'm just going to apply some bottom mascara to the bottom lashes. I'm going to let that bottom mascara dry before I set my face and apply highlighter, because we know how that game goes. I don't want to have mascara on the bottom of my eyes, because then the whole look is going to be ruined. So we're going to be applying gloss. And crazy story, I was in H&M earlier today, and you know, I was just looking around, minding my own business, and I saw in the beauty section that they had 75% off beauty. It only had like some glosses and like eyeshadow palettes and stuff. So I was looking at the lip glosses, and I'm like, holy shit, like these colors are actually really nice. Like they're holographic colors. So I have one here right now that I want to show you. But like I was like, wow. Okay, and it was $10. So obviously 75% off of $10, $2.50 for this freaking gloss. Like, it's insane. And it actually matches the look perfectly today. So I'm so happy that I got it. So this is the lip gloss. Like, look at how freaking gorgeous that is. Like, I don't know if you can see like the reflex in it. So let's apply this and see how it looks. Because I've never tried anything from H&M. Like, no makeup from H&M. Oh my gosh. That is so freaking pretty. And when I tried it on in the store, I'm like, wow, this is kind of sticky. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna like the formula, but it feels so nice on the lips. So now let's finish off the look. I'm gonna spray some setting spray. Last but not least, for highlighter, I'm gonna take my favorite Morphe brush, the M501, which, like, best brush ever for highlighting. And then I'm gonna be taking my MakeupForever highlighter. This is like the pink one. Okay, we're done. Let's give it a one last spritz. I'm so happy with how this look turned out. I haven't done a look like this in forever. I just like haven't been feeling inspired or motivated to do my makeup at all. I don't know, I just saw the palette and I'm like, let me do like a neon color. It may not be the best makeup in the world, but to me it just like really makes me happy to see myself playing with like new products, and especially color too. Like, I never played around with color like this, and I feel like neon is so in for summer now. Guys, like this makeup look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next